So, DJI will officially release the Lito X1 and Lito 1 on the 23rd of April. DJI itself has confirmed the launch date by sharing a quick teaser. While there are still days left for the drones to unveil, Igor Bogdanov has already shared the key specs and what you will get with the Fly More combo for both drones. And, by the looks of it, these compact drones are turning out to be a more favorable choice under the 249-gram segment considering the price and features. So, let's find out more about the upcoming Lito X1 and Lito 1 from DJI and see the differences between the two drones. Igor Bogdanov was the first to share the high-quality renders of the Lito X1 and Lito 1, and they both look quite identical. He also mentioned that the Lito series might force the mini-series to lose its appeal. Well, at least that's what we can see on paper. As we mentioned before, both the drones fall under the 250-gram category, meaning you don't need any FAA license and can fly the drone without any restrictions. Coming straight to the specs, the Lito X1 will feature a 48-megapixel camera backed by a 1x1.3-inch sensor, and you will be able to shoot 4K videos up to 100 frames per second. To give you an exact idea, the footage will be quite similar to Mini 4 Pro with proper HDR support. The Lito 1, however, gets a smaller half-inch sensor and still shoots 4K videos. So if you talk about sharper details or better low-light capabilities, the Lito X1 will be slightly ahead. Moreover, the Lito X1 will allow you to shoot true vertical videos at 2.7K resolution, so you can instantly capture ready-to-post clips. Now, another massive difference between the two drones is that the Lito X1 will feature omnidirectional LiDAR for obstacle avoidance, whereas the Lito 1 will only feature an omnidirectional vision system. X1's omnidirectional LiDAR is far more accurate in low light and complex environments than vision-only systems on older minis. The leaked renders already hinted at it. If you look at the two images side by side, you will notice the X1 has two LiDAR sensors on the front. As for the Lito 1, there are only mesh covers protecting the gap. As for the battery life, both the Lito X1 and Lito 1 have 36 minutes of flight time, which is decent enough, and you can fly them within 15 kilometers radius. So we are guessing that the drones feature the AquaSync 4 transmission system. So pretty much you can say the Lito X1 is a more premium version of the two, which makes it obvious that it will cost more. The expected price for Lito X1 is between $699 to $759, almost the same as the Mini 5 Pro. As for the Lito 1, you will be able to get it for $329 only. So in that case, if you really want to learn drone flying, the Lito 1 seems the better choice. But overall, the Lito X1 costs a bit less than the Mini 5 Pro, yet features almost all the necessary features.